Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for Texas Instruments. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. Texas Instruments is a S&P 500 company within the semiconductors industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 6.5%. Earnings growth, 18.9%. Earnings estimates, 10%. Return on capital, 35.05%. Debt to free cash flow, 1.29 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.49%. Payout ratio, 49.63%. Growth rate, 19.78%. Growth years, 16 years. That gives Texas Instruments 10 out of 10 points. Excellent, that is a perfect score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Texas Instruments is fairly valued. What's your thoughts on Texas Instruments in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.